Hello! With this video I'm starting tutorial series where I'll show you how to fix typical headphone defects, so you can save some money without buying new headphones. It's important to remember, if headphones have warranty, you should use it first and only after refusal you should do it yourself. Frequent problem is damaged wire at headphone entry, or today's victim has the same problem. Defect spot can be found by turning on some dank music and shaking different cable spots. If sound appears, then we know that this specific spot is damaged. Also, if cable moves freely and it feels unfixed, it also counts as a defect. And as always, for soldering prepare typical DIY tool set. To fix the defects, we have to get to them. Start with taking off the ear pads, but carefully without damaging them. Then unscrew all the screws that hold together the headphones. Look out for speaker magnet, it's important to keep it undamaged. When it's done, let's get it open, but carefully. Don't tear anything that looks important and expensive. Then snatch off the incoming wire, which is damaged at headphone entry. Then pull the cable longer so we can cut the damaged part. Then prepare cable for soldering. Then prepare and fixate isolation tape on the cable so we can fit headphone cable in construction so it doesn't move freely and serves its master longer. After that, prepare cable by soldering them with tin. Then check with multimeter which cable color is left, right and ground. When you found out, we can unsolder old cable from headphone speaker. And finally we can start soldering new cable to headphone speakers. Don't forget to correctly solder left, right and ground. Hardest part is behind us. Put back the headphones, neatly fixate the cable so it would serve us for a longer time. That's why I glued it, to make it stronger and not stickier. When glue is dried up, all that's left to do is put back the headphones. Do it carefully, don't forget to neatly screw all screws. Then put on the ear pad without tearing it. When it's done, you should do the last check. Well, sounds okay. Now I can congratulate you. You fixed your headphones by watching my hands and you saved some money. This tutorial is useful for every headphones with cable. It doesn't matter at which side cable is located. Well, good luck, don't forget sniping that delicious like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next headphone repair episode. Peace!